Hey, this is the dashboard, and this time we're coming to you from the monthly Callahan Cruisers Cruise In at the Hardee's restaurant in Callahan, Florida. And this is the vlog mix. There were a lot of awesome cars out there, but it was kind of hot, so we didn't stick around very long. But I did get some video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Hey guys, this is the dashboard. It's a Sunday afternoon in Florida. It's the second Saturday afternoon, and we're headed out to Callahan for the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in at the Hardee's restaurant. There's usually a pretty good turnout of cars at this one. It's kind of hot, so I don't know how long I'm going to stick around, but I'm going to take some video and take some pictures and do all the things I do, and we'll have some video for you here shortly. So stay tuned.
Yeah. Right by the dumpster's open, no? Right by the dumpster ain't open.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So where you want to park it?
I do not know, Mom.
Want to park it by the red truck? Or right there between the white and the dark red?
Right there.
Huh?
Right there.
Okay. Or do you want to go in straight so that you can get your scooter out?
I'm backing in for now, and then we'll just pull up and get the scooter out.
Okay.
Wasn't too sure about that behind me.
You want me to get out and guide you?
No, I got it. I got it now. Yeah.
Somebody
Put the hooks on there and take it out. Hey.
It's always gossip shit about
Yeah.
somebody else.
Put the hooks on there and take it out.
It's always gossip shit about stuff.
hot. It's just too hot, son. I normally enjoy sitting here.
Everybody else says the same thing.
Yeah. I have to get us one of them fans. Oh, is that one you missed?
No, I got it. When I come back up here,
The Maxwell house?
old Max got an upgrade.
Mm-hmm. Greg wasn't here. He must have went to Alabama.
Yeah. His brother Shelly better went. Alright guys, we just left the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in for July. Oh man. It was hot.
Thank you, Roosevelt. What's the weather like out there? It's hot. Damn hot. Real hot. Hotter than this is my. Tell me what it feels like. Fool, it's hot. I told you again. Were you born on the sun? It's damn hot. You can be.
It was so hot. We had a lot of cars there, but everybody started leaving early after about an hour. So we stayed a little bit longer, but then we left. We just couldn't take it no more. Whew. Might have to start a fund to get some electric fans to sit out with when we go to these car shows. Something. It's ridiculous right now here in Florida. Of course, it's bad all across the South, but it's particularly bad right now. Anyway, there were several awesome cars there. There were lots of awesome cars. I'll put it that way. Anyway, so gonna edit this together. I'll have it out soon. There'll be more videos from this event. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're at 121 subscribers. We need to get to 500 to get some of that YouTube green. So like it, subscribe, comment, share, send it to people. Share it on the socials that I will not name because the algorithm doesn't like that. So yeah, that's going to be about it for this. I don't have any plans for next week's car shows, or I'd let you know. But I will be going to some car shows next weekend. I just don't know what they are yet. Anyway, so peace out. I'll catch you on the next one.